Should you buy and invest in a franchise? I'm Rizek, CPA and certified financial planner. I'm going to walk through some questions that you should consider before you start dumping your money into a franchise. Lately, I've been talking to a number of families about buying a franchise. Whether it's cookies, coffee, sandwiches, or even a car wash. It's definitely trending. Let's talk about a few key questions that you should consider before you dump your money into it. Number one, do you understand the business? Do you know how it operates? Are you going to be managing the franchise, or are you going to hire a manager to take care of it for you and really just be an owner? So many small business owners and entrepreneurs get this wrong. They think that being an owner and a manager is the same thing, and oftentimes for most entrepreneurs, it is. But eventually, if you're going to treat it like an investment and not like a job, you're going to want to hire someone to take care of some of those things for you. Do you have actual experience in the industry or business expertise? Or are you just enthralled with the product that your favorite franchise is producing? What due diligence have you done? That's business talk for, do you know how much money you can make? What reasonable profits are like? How much it's going to cost you to get started, and ongoing fees and expenses that you're going to have to pay both to run the business and to hold the franchise. Oftentimes, the assumptions that you'll get from the franchisor, the person who's giving you the rights to operate, sometimes can be unrealistic and make it seem like sunshine and roses. It's important for you to take your own time and to be somewhat skeptical and critical of those numbers to really be sure what you're investing that money into. Another question that you'll want to consider is this industry a fad? Has it just become popular in the last few years, and will it die off in a couple years down the road when the next thing comes along? You want to be sure that if it is a fad, you've got a good exit strategy so that you're not locking up your money for a period of time with no way to get out. That leads me to the next question. Are you going to partner with somebody else? If you are, boy, you really want to be sure that you're on the same page. So many partnerships end in disaster. So it's important that when you first go on this venture with your partner, that it's all in paper, that you've got your T's crossed and your I's dotted. You've got the right business entity to succeed. Whether you're going to create a partnership, an LLC, or maybe even an S Corp. There's pros and cons to many different entity types, whether you do it on your own or you have a partner. Whether you decide to create a partnership, an LLC, or maybe even an S Corp, really is going to depend on your situation and everyone's involvement. The last question is, why buy the franchise? Is this not something you could do on your own? What is the franchisor giving you that you cannot just build from the ground up? Truthfully, answering these questions will help you make the right decision. I'm Rizek, CPA and certified financial planner. Let's live the American dream.